We are pleased to show you the 2016 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, one owner, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.